Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Delta Airlines flight reservation. Whether your plans have changed or you simply need to make adjustments to your booking, understanding the cancellation process can save you time and help you navigate any potential fees or refunds. First, open your web browser and head over to delta.com. Once the page loads, scroll down toward the bottom of the homepage. Here, you'll find a section labeled Help Center. Click on it to access Delta's support resources where you can manage various aspects of your booking. Inside the Help Center, look for the option that says Change or Cancel Your Flight. Hover over this option and then click it. This will take you to a dedicated page where Delta provides detailed information regarding cancellations, including policies, timelines, and what you can expect throughout the process. Take a moment to review this information as it will give you a clear understanding of your options. Now, if you're ready to proceed with canceling your specific flight, click on Go to My Trips. This feature allows you to access your booking directly. You'll be prompted to fill in the necessary information, such as your confirmation number and last name. Once you've entered these details, click Search. This will pull up your reservation and display all the relevant flight details. After your trip appears, review the cancellation details carefully. Delta will display the fare rules associated with your ticket, along with any applicable fees. This is an important step because it helps you understand whether your ticket is refundable and what charges, if any, you might incur for canceling. If your ticket is eligible for a refund, you'll see an option to select Cancel Flight or Request Refund. Go ahead and click the appropriate button based on your ticket type. For refundable tickets, this process is straightforward and you should be able to proceed without issue. Next, confirm the cancellation by clicking Submit or Yes, Cancel. Delta will process your request and you'll be presented with a confirmation number on your screen. Make sure to note this confirmation number down or take a screenshot, as it serves as proof of your cancellation and may be needed for future reference. Shortly after completing the cancellation, check your email for the official cancellation confirmation from Delta. This email will contain all the important details about your canceled flight and any refund information, if applicable. Keep this email for your records. If you're expecting a refund, you can monitor its status by returning to the My Trips section on Delta's website. Select the canceled trip from your list and click View Details. This will show you the current status of your refund and any updates Delta has provided. Finally, if you encounter any issues during the cancellation process or if your booking isn't eligible for online cancellation, don't hesitate to contact Delta directly at 800-221-1212. Their customer service team can assist you with more complex situations and ensure your cancellation is processed correctly. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the process of canceling your Delta Airlines flight reservation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.